So I'm about to share with you one of the laziest ways to make money online. Now, I cannot guarantee that you're going to make money, but with what I'm about to share with you, it is highly possible. For it to be a lazy way to make money online, there's some criteria that it has to meet. You don't have to be an influencer. You don't have to create your own products. And it should be with something that has longevity. Exitus Elite has everything that you need to win online. Exitus Elite has its own products, so you don't have to create it. It's an educational platform teaching you online marketing, personal development. We have resources, information from top marketers who has made millions in the industry. Listen to what they have to say. Exitus Elite comes with lead capture pages, okay? It also comes with a built-in autoresponder, already done, already pre-written for you. Has a video sales letter, which does all the explaining for you so you don't have to. So as a person comes here, they see the video, they want to know more, click learn more, and then go through and read everything they need to know about Exitus Elite. As they're going through all the information, at the very bottom, they're going to have an opportunity to call the Exitus call center. This comes with a call center that if your prospects has questions after viewing everything, they answer the questions, they close your sale, they send you the commission. We get to pick how we get paid from PayPal, Cash App, Zelle. You can accept credit card, debit card. There's multiple ways. We get paid from $100 to $2,000 in instant direct commission, okay, without personal selling, without talking to prospects, without answering questions. And you can use the call center to close your sales. Now, the ways to get traffic is through YouTube, just like the one you're looking at right now, or maybe you're on Facebook looking at this video, okay? Maybe you're on Twitter. Maybe you click the link on Twitter and it brought you to this video. If you don't want to do videos, maybe you can post value on Facebook. And here's an example of it. Liking comments don't mean sales. Focus on putting valuable information out there that gets sales. You can attach a link. Some people's going to click that link and go to your lead capture page, enter the email address, and that will take them to the sales page. Simple value post with your picture. You want to attach value to your face. You can come over to Udemy. That's a place where you see there's a number of people that you can get traffic from. Let's just choose a person and give you an example of what we can do. Okay, you can read over their information, right? Go down here where you can buy traffic. Let's say you want to purchase 200 clicks. That's 200 visitors to your Exitus Elite capture page. Okay, that's going to get you a certain number of leads. Okay, no guaranteed sales, but it's going to get people looking at your business. Okay, 200 clicks, $83. Go to checkout. You pay for clicks within the date specified or within 24 to 48 hours. You're going to have leads going through your funnel. They go to the lead capture page. This triggers the autoresponder to kick in, takes them over to the video sales letter. Okay, the Exitus call center will close your sales and send you the commission. And that is a lazy way to build a business online. So even if you're doing YouTube, it's still a lazy way. Because as an example, as I'm cutting this video today, for the next week, if I decide not to cut a video, right? If you have a number of videos out there that's going to continue to work for you 24/7. So if you're on vacation, if you sleep, your videos are out there working. If a picture is worth 1,000 words, imagine how much a video was worth. Now, people get to see your face. They get to hear your voice. That's extremely powerful. People join people. So it's good if they see you, and it's even more powerful if they also hear you. Because honestly, one thing you can't do is just strictly hide behind a sales funnel, think you're going to make a lot of money. Can you make money? Yes, but no person who's made a substantial amount of money hides. They are upfront. They are known people, join people, right? How many times have you seen something you've looked at and you've seen an ad on Facebook and you said, I'm not going to buy from this. Let me go see if it's on Amazon, right? Because you trust Amazon. The same thing when it comes to online marketing and joining a team. You're going to join a person you can resonate with. So it's very important to make sure you get out, get seen, and get heard. So that's a lazy way of making money online. Do videos, let the videos continue to work for you, okay? Post pictures, attach value to your pictures, right? Get traffic, run to your lead capture page. Let Exitus Elite does the rest. Let Exitus Elite close your sales and send you the commission. To check out more about Exitus Elite, see the team bonuses that I share, such as my copy and paste swap file, my one-on-one bonus training, a mega swap file, 3 generational bonus training. You get added to a team private chat at G1000, G2000. You also get a vacation voucher. And there's an additional bonus that I share for my G1000, G2000 team members that you can ask me about. Send me a text message, email me. My contact information is down below in the description. The link to check out this information is in the description. So click that link, get this information. My name is Michael Petty, and I'll see you in the next video.